Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Stocks aim higher. Gold is in the clouds. Analysis. http ntvforex.com News ID CCFF74 7/28/2026 24:10 a.m. Taking cues from a firmer close on Wall Street overnight, Asian markets advanced, and European bourses are pointing to a stronger start. Wall Street's main indices closed higher as investors bet on high-profile tech stocks before their earnings reports later in the week and as they weighed up progress in U.S. government stimulus efforts against rising COVID cases. Facebook, Amazon, Apple, and Alphabet are all due to report this week and were among the top gainers overnight, resulting in the Nasdaq closing 1.7% higher, outperforming both the Dow and the S&P. U.S. senators also raced to complete details of a $1 trillion coronavirus rescue package before the enhanced unemployment benefits expire on Friday. The proposal needs to be negotiated with Democrats, an almost guaranteed showdown. There are doubts that the rescue package would provide sufficient support to the economy. Second wave fears linger. Coronavirus concerns remain with outbreaks and flare-ups across the globe, making the prospect of a second wave very real. China, Hong Kong, France, Germany, and Spain are all seeing a spike in COVID cases. Spain is under the spotlight as the UK imposes a revised 10-day quarantine rule for those returning from the Iberian Peninsula. Spain is highly dependent on its tourism sector, and these measures in peak season will negatively impact the fragile economic recovery there. The economic calendar is light today, with Spanish unemployment in focus. Expectations are for unemployment to continue to rise to 16.2%, up from 14.4%. Looking ahead, U.S. consumer confidence is also in focus, with expectations for a decline in confidence after a rebound in June. Gold soars to almost $2,000. Gold soared to a record high in the Asian session, supported by a weaker dollar and safe haven demand. Spot gold rallied to within striking distance of $2,000, as the precious metal continued its relentless climb. COVID fears, elevated U.S.-Sino tensions, and the prospect of an additional $1 trillion stimulus package in the U.S. sent gold soaring. Attention will turn towards the Fed, which started a two-day policy meeting today, due to conclude tomorrow. Expectations are for a dovish Fed, willing to see inflation pass its target before rates will rise, potentially adding more pressure to the U.S. dollar. A weak greenback is gold positive, making it cheaper for international buyers. Gold has surged over 30% YTD, making it one of the best performing assets. Gold is up 9% over the past 6 sessions. Whilst the rally in the precious metal is pausing for breath, we very much doubt that this is the peak. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.